Turn on that light.
Which light?
The overhead light over there, Goober. No!
Ah! I thought that light was already on. Is somebody turning it off?
There we go, bro. One small step for Red Nation to happen.
Ow.
I think she lets him win.
Mm-hmm.
Because when James said when she growled at him earlier, he took off with his tail tucked.
Yeah. Ah!
You hear their teeth hitting all over.
Ah!
Shh, I can't hear anything.
I do hear their teeth.
They're starting to annoy me.
Why? Just because they're right on top of you?
Get him, Mitzi, get him. Get him. Get him.
Get his ear.
Daddy hold his ear for you. Daddy hold his ear for you.
That's not your bone, that's a foot. Samela, what happened to those pants? You need to go brush your teeth and get dressed. Blowing her ear. Blowing her ear. She's just holding him.
And she got him now.
He was talking. He's like, "Come on, get me, get me." Oh, it's so much work. Oh, they were about to be calmed down. Bless you.
Daddy, hold him. Daddy's holding him. Get him. Mitzi. Mitzi, get him.
She's like, "No, I just want to lay here."
Mitzi. Mitzi.
She's licking all the sneeze off her nose. Aww.
And we can put that on Facebook.